Lowering the graphics settings in EAFC 25 can help improve performance on your gaming system. Follow these steps to adjust the settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Start by opening EAFC 25 on your gaming platform. Wait for the main menu to load completely before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the settings option, usually found in the main menu. Look for a gear icon or tab labeled settings or options to enter the configuration area. Step 3. Select graphics settings. Once in the settings menu, find the section specifically for graphics or display settings. This is where you will be able to adjust various visual options to load the graphical fidelity. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. In the graphics settings, look for an option labeled graphics quality or similar. Change this setting to a lower quality level, such as medium or low, to reduce the demand on your system. Step 5. Save and exit. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. You may need to confirm your selections and then return to the main menu to start playing with the new settings. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in performance while playing EAFC 25. Enjoy your gaming experience.